That's a baby with a gun. It's a baby with a gun. I'm calling the police. They hung up. It's a baby with a gun. Comfort eating. That's just sugar. Oh, it's a baby with a gun. Baby with a gun! Who sent you? Was it Brian? Buy him a new title. Does my life insurance cover babies with guns? Oh, really? Get out! How about we trade? Okay, I'll give you this, and you give me that. Now, isn't that better? Oh, I'm really stupid. Oh, it's not nice, is it? No, huh? I'm a man with a gun. What are you? You're a baby with a gun. You're nothing. I'm sorry, that was mean. You don't deserve that. You're young. Just take mine. Oh, no, it's a baby with 2 guns. Where's the baby? There's the baby. Why don't you leave? Get out of my house! I'm hiding in the fridge now. You know, I kind of want him to shoot me, so when God's like, oh, hey, Tom, how did you die? I can be like, I don't know, God, maybe I was shot by a baby with a gun! Don't laugh at me. I'm sick. You're a sick baby with a gun. Yeah, not easy, is it? Not easy to hit a moving target. You have to leave. Oh, look at this little baby. Oh, no, it's got a gun! I have to move.
Tom, have you seen my copy of the greatest movie of all time?
17 again?
Yeah.
Pretty sure it fell in the hole.
What hole? Oh my god! What is that?
There's a hole.
Yeah, I can see that. What's it doing there?
Well, I woke up this morning. Then there was a hole.
What are you going to do about it?
I put a rug over it. Yeah, it fell in the hole.
Should we call the police or something?
Oh yeah, I called the police, yeah.
Well, where are they?
They're in the hole.
Where is your girlfriend? Tom, where is your girlfriend?
She's at work.
Oh, where does she work?
In the hole.
God! How deep even is this thing?
That was my favourite mug. That's in the hole.
Tom, do you even know what this is? Like, for all we know, it could be an interdimensional wormhole, or a gateway to hell, or Tom? Tom? Tom!
Hey, what's up? I got a snack.
Tom, will you please take this seriously? What was that?
Hole person.
Where did it come from? Right, the hole. Yeah. Dude, why are you being so calm about this?
I'm more worried about the space octopus.
What space octopus?
That one.
Mother? Mm-hmm. Close my fridge. But I'm hungry. Close my damn fridge! But how do I get to the... Mom? What? I'm hungry. Well, eat then. But I need to open the fridge to get the food. Well, do that. Like, why is he telling me this? Okay. Excuse me. What? You need to get through? My electricity! Close the fridge! But you just said it! Close it! Okay, you know what? I'm done! Because I don't have time for this. What are you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna just go out and pick something up to eat. All that food in the fridge and you about to go out to eat? You won't let me go in the fridge! Now why would I not let you go in the fridge? Like, how dumb do you sound? Just grab what you need. How do I grab what I need out the fridge? Well, I don't know what's in it. You won't let me look! Oh, I'm sorry. I deeply apologize. My voice. I didn't mean no harm. Yeah, you don't want these problems. I don't want those problems. Now go! Yes, ma'am. Can I open the fridge? Close my fridge! That's it! No! Where are you going? Look, I'm not leaving, but I'm gonna eat regardless. I'm gonna call something in, I'm gonna get something delivered. So this is the thanks I get. The appreciation for all my hard work. I be at home, working over a hot stove for hours, just to make sure you have food in your stomach. I work hard so that you can have a roof over your head. And this is the thanks I get. This is how you treat me. Everything I do, everything, I do it for you. You. And you can't be grateful enough to just appreciate the little things I do. Now that's foul. That's foul. All I'm asking for is a little bit of love and support. That's it. That's it.
Look, I didn't look at it that way. I'm sorry. I'll go.
Gina, get the hell out of here.
I'm sorry, what was I saying? She messed me up. Oh right, I was sad, remember? I'm sorry, I'm gonna go get a plate. See, I'm grabbing a plate and a spoon. Okay, now where is it? What shelf is it on? Is this it?
Close my damn fridge!
One, two, three.